So when OneDrive is installed on your computer, what happens is that you might get notifications regarding them time and again. And you might want to receive certain notifications while you may not want to receive other notifications. So to change around the notification settings of OneDrive after you've installed it, you need to go around over here on the taskbar to access out OneDrive if it is opened. And then you can go around onto settings right here. And then over here on the left side, you can see notifications is an option. So over here, you can see it says notify me when syncing is paused. So if syncing is paused out, then you can simply go, you can get a notification or turn that off if you don't want notification for it. Similarly, it says notify me when others share with me or edit my shared items. So you get a notification for this as well. Then you can turn this off if you don't want that. And it says notify me with the large number of files are deleted in the cloud, or notify me when on this day memories are available, and so forth. Maybe I want to turn this off, and then you won't get the notification for this particular thing that is happening right here. Similarly, you can see there is notify me before many files that I've deleted on my PC are removed from the cloud as well. So you may want to turn this on right here to get notification. So in my case, I don't really want the on this day's notification right here, but I do want to be notified about the rest, and I'm going to set it out just like that. And that is it. That you don't need to go around and hit save or anything. If you were to go around over here onto settings right here on the notifications, you can see that depending on what you have turned on and off, this is what you have. And that is how you can access up the desktop app notification option for OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.